Every month, it feels like money is just flying away. But what if I told you there's a way to catch it and make it work for you? Hello everyone, welcome back to Money Smart with Frank. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of passive income and explore why it's a cornerstone for achieving financial freedom. But before we dive in, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This will ensure you're always on the loop with the latest financial insights and strategies that I upload. And trust me, by the end of this session, I'll share a transformative personal story on how passive income reshaped my financial landscape. Let's get started. Let's imagine for a moment, you're on board a boat, but suddenly it's taking on water from multiple lakes. As you scramble, trying to stay afloat, you're reminded of a paycheck-to-paycheck life. You see, each lake represents those unforeseen bills and sudden expenses. That frantic effort to keep the boat from sinking is your daily 9-to-5 grind. Now, what if I said there is a way to not just plug those leaks, but to also upgrade that boat to a luxury liner? I get it. It might seem like a tall tale, but stay with me. I'm here to introduce to you 7 transformative strategies that will not only mend those holes, but set you on a course towards coveted harbor of financial freedom. And I promise, by the end of this video, you won't just have a ship, you'll be the captain. I'm curious, if you had to describe your financial journey as a mode of transportation, what would it be? Maybe a bicycle, still finding its balance, a trustworthy old car, or a sleek, powerful jet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll surely respond to them. Now, let's anchor down on our first reason. And believe me, it's a game changer. First things first, let's dive into the most sought after advantage, which is to diversify your income streams. Imagine a world where you don't put all your eggs in a single basket. Diversifying is about spreading our risks. So rather than just relying on that monthly paycheck, it's best to incorporate diverse avenues like online businesses, dividend investments, and much more. Picture this, guys. Let's say you earn about $50,000 annually from your regular job. Now, throw in an extra $500 monthly from an online business and $400 from dividend investing. Now, when unexpected challenges like a pandemic emerge, threatening your primary income, just like COVID-19, you definitely have a safety net that'll be a financial cushion for you. I'd love to hear from you. Which passive income stream are you thinking about diving into? I guarantee there's someone in our community who's already navigating it. I can drop some valuable insights. And while diversifying your income is pivotal, there's another breathtaking aspect of passive income that truly captures the essence of financial freedom. And this leads us to number 2, financial independence. Have you ever dreamt of that vacation without peeping into your wallet every minute? Or perhaps taking a month off to write that novel? That's the beauty of achieving financial independence through passive income. Imagine, for instance, you've always wanted to backpack across Europe. With an extra $1,000 a month from rental property, you can make it happen without depleting your savings. But beyond achieving independence, there's a more dynamic dimension to passive income. It doesn't just support your lifestyle, it has the power to elevate it. Number 3, grow your wealth. Now, passive doesn't mean stagnant. You see, investments like real estate, dividend stocks aren't just about providing an income. These are assets that appreciate in value over time. It's like planting a seed and watching your money tree flourish. Picture this. If you invest $10,000 a year in dividend stocks, which breaks down to about $833.33 a month, and you earn about 5% annual return, you'd be looking at an extra $500 each year. And remember, guys, that doesn't even account for the potential appreciation of those stocks. I'm intrigued to hear from you guys. Have any of you ventured into dividend stocks or real estate? Drop your experiences or questions below. But here's the question: what's the end game? Why grow this wealth? For many, it's about the freedom to choose when to leave the workforce. Number 4, retire early. Do you want to step out of the rat race earlier than the conventional age 65? With a well-orchestrated passive income strategy, you can stride into your golden years on your own terms. And believe me, it's not just a distant dream. You see, with $3,000 monthly from diversified passive sources, you might very well bid farewell to that 9-to-5 a decade early. Let's have a quick poll. Tell me, guys, at what age do you envision hanging your work hat? Share your dream retirement age in the comment section below. But you see, retiring early doesn't just mean resting. It's about relocating time to passions, hobbies, and your loved ones. Number 5, more time for what matters most. Time's the one thing we can't get more of, right? Wrong. You see, with passive income, you're essentially buying back hours. Hours to learn, to bond, to create, or even to binge watch that series without guilt. Imagine if a blog you wrote generated $20 a day. That's a few hours you've saved, which could be spent writing, painting, or even just chilling with family. And while we cherish those moments, we get for ourselves the benefits of passive income far beyond our immediate horizon. Number 6. Pass on business and inheritance to your family. Guys, it's not just about you. It's about the legacy you leave. Your hard work today can ensure your kids have a solid foundation tomorrow. Think of it as if you're gifting them a ready-to-harvest orchard. Number 7. You pay less on taxes. With certain businesses, especially when you're employing others, there can be tax benefits you can potentially gain. And who doesn't love to save on taxes? Let's take this example. Opportunity real estate zones, retirement accounts like 401ks, or IRA in the US, or an RSP in Canada are a few of those investments you can pay less taxes on. Also, depending on what country you reside in, you can reduce your taxable income from owning the retirement accounts, which typically grow tax-free until you withdraw from it. Having these accounts and business opportunities will not only grow your wealth, but also offer you tax incentives. Years ago, I was lost, bills piled up, dreams seemed distant, but then I stumbled upon financial education. It wasn't an overnight change, but actually a journey, from learning to invest and finally to teaching. And that's why I'm here, sharing with you my personal story and how to actually invest and achieve your financial goals and dreams. But you see, this isn't just about me. I want to hear your story. How are you planning to achieve your financial freedom? Comment below and let's make this a community journey. Friends, passive income is more than just having extra cash. It's also a ticket to a world of choices that you could actually have. Dive deep, experiment, and you might just design a future where every day feels like a choice and not a chore. If this video resonated with you, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. You can also watch my next video right now on financial education for beginners and how you can master your money in 30 days. Simply click on the video after this one. You don't want to miss it. Until next time, stay money smart, stay financially free. I'll see you guys. Bye.